Breeze's puppies are 8.5 weeks old. And I can't see them for the sun. They've had their first needle, their microchip, their vet check. All beautiful, healthy puppies, we were told, so we're very happy. We'll be sad next week because they'll start going to the new homes on Saturday. Where's your ball? They don't take long to grow up. It's over there. Ah, don't eat crab apples. It's a boy bear. Hop along. So we have Millie, Roxy, Bear, and Stella. All excited to be outside. What's this? Look, what's this? It's your ball. More fun playing with each other.